Hello everyone, welcome to Ande Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing how Voldemort is the evilest character in Harry Potter series. Harry Potter is a franchise filled with bad guys and villains. As much as fans hated Lord Voldemort, they seemed to despise Dolores Umbridge even more. Throughout the franchise, Voldemort attempts to kill Harry various times in different ways. Obsession with Harry. After Voldemort learned of the prophecy that predicted his demise, the Dark Lord tried to eliminate his most significant threat, but things did not go according to plan. Instead of killing Harry, the spell rebounded and they began Voldemort's obsession with defeating Harry at all costs. His power and determination made him dangerous, and Voldemort was willing to go to extreme lengths to ensure his survival and defeat his underage arch rival. Killed numerous people. Not much is known about Umbridge's body count, but that isn't in the case for Lord Voldemort. Voldemort had killed numerous people out of anger because he wanted to get them out of the way or to make Horcruxes. He killed his family after realizing that his paternal family were Muggles. Voldemort was responsible for the deaths of James, Lily, Snape, and many others. He was not afraid to kill others if it meant getting what he wanted. Planned a pure blood supremacy future. More so than anything, Voldemort was interested in power. Even as a half-blood wizard himself, Voldemort still wished to create a world where pure blood was superior to others. His influence had started in the Ministry and continued to work its way into Hogwarts. Voldemort used his own prejudices and the bigotry of many in the wizarding community as a weapon against innocent people. Horcruxes. Voldemort went further than anyone else by creating 7 Horcruxes. He killed several people, split his soul, and then hid it away in objects to ensure his immortality. Voldemort was terrified of death, so instead of trying to live a long life naturally, Voldemort decided to create Horcruxes. Horcruxes both preserve fragments of a soul while essentially destroying the soul itself, which is one of the darkest things that any wizard can do to themselves or others.